All right, so I'm gonna do an exercise on training for Rug Rangers on how to add um, a company in our directory. So first, make sure you're on Rug Rangers bucket or the website. Go to the directories, and then there's a lot of directories. Select Rug Rangers only, and then you'll see all the websites that are eligible to show up on the Rug Rangers directory. And so when I go to the Rug Rangers directory, what is this? I don't need that. Let me go here. Less screens, the better. So I have here's my directory page. Essentially, the idea is if I go to the state of Texas or Alabama or Alaska, whatever state, I want to see all the dealers in that state. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our software and we're going to say add listing. And before I do that, we need to know what listing we're adding. And so Bangladesh helped us get a list of companies in here. And Bangladesh, thank you for doing that. And so I'm going to add, I'm going to see Austonian, right? So I think that's from Austin. So let's just go to our Texas page. So I have Great American Rug Cleaning Company. So Great American Rug Cleaning Company, I already got them. Dallas Rug Cleaner. Since they're in Dallas, we have a bias against anybody in Dallas because we have Dallas Rug Cleaning. So I'm just going to hide that for a second. Okay. So I'm going down the list. I'm going to go to the next company here. They're in Austin, Texas. That's okay. So I'm going to go to their website. Make sure it's a legit site, right? So now we go and enter add listing. Simple. Get their company name. Austonian Rug Cleaning Co. Makes it easier if I go to the bottom of their site and probably they have a copyright. That's a pain if they don't have it. So thank you for writing the company name. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here. Choose a file. Essentially, go at the top. Typically, they'll have a logo. Right click, save image as. And whenever you save the image, rename that image. That's one of my pet peeves. Don't keep it as logo 001-602. So I'm going to say Austonian Rug Cleaning logo. Or Austonian Rug Cleaning is just fine. Save. So now what I'm going to do is go here, choose that file. Then I'm going to go to listing identification. This was designed for internal ID, if I had one. Ignore that. Phone number, put that on there. Let's go ahead and get the phone number from their list. Email, if we have it. So chances are, company email, I don't have it. I would go through and look at the site, copy that, and so whoever got the data missed it. So I'm going to just go ahead and put that company email if they have it. If they don't, you don't, right? So I'll put it in here. Street address. Typically, that's easy one because that's usually on the website we can get. Why did I take that? Oops, this one. Texas. Okay. Website URL, that's easy. Copy, paste. Active listing, verified listing, yes. Ignore these. These are for another dealer directory that I created. We may use it in the future, so we'll keep it on here. This is the key, listing meta title. So here, we have to optimize this so that we can rank. So I would say, take a look at their website and take a look at what the title of their website is, meta title, right? So usually the title tag, you just go up here. I'm just going to show you Control F, title. Holy moly. If you see something like that, the best thing to do is just like this, title. That's the proper tag. If you search for that, this is your title tag. I say copy that. But sometimes they don't do a good job. So I would say, rug cleaning in Austin, Texas by, I don't need that. I can say Austin TX. So this is a little different than their own title tag. So this way they don't call me and say, hey, you copy pasted my title tag and your site is ranking ahead of mine, right? I don't want that. They're going to be upset. And then what we would do is we need a little summary. Summary, just so you know, it shows up in right here. This is the summary, okay? And then once you go in, this is the, once you go in, is the details. Hey, what happened to this one? Huh, this was working, so I wonder if they have something in that page is breaking it. So it looks like rug cleaning tips, and then the page is broken. So I'll take a look at those in a minute. So the rest of the content is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to their site, and typically the best place to get content is either on the homepage, like who they are. So this is a good source of content. So I'm going to put that in here. Make sure you get it till the period, like a full sentence. And then you go in here and say, paste that whole thing. If I want to, I can add, what is their site? I mean, we could probably we could probably take content from this site and put it on that page, or maybe About Us is another good place to copy paste content. Well, they have a video. So if they have a video, actually, why don't I take this embed?
Need carpet cleaning or upholstery done? Our range of...
Pause this. There's a share. How do I embed? Email. Embed right here. So I can take this. Oops. What happened? Oh. Copy. And then let me see if this works. It's a test. I'll put that code in here just to see what it does. If I don't put that on here, the width and the height, I wonder if it's going to be full screen to be seen. Okay. So now if I go to my Texas page, Austinian rug cleaning, the image didn't work. I think I know why, because the image was in a different format. The logo, it's okay. So this is what I wanted. Copy. When I downloaded it, it was a different. Yeah. See, let me try this. Save images. Oh, no, this is going to be .png. Yeah, PNG, because that one looks like a different file format. So let's see if that works. Yeah, that worked. Okay, so now if I go to my site, refresh, Austinian rug cleaning CO, since CO is going on the next line, I can go in here and just, I get it, rug cleaning good enough. Test it, meaning don't just put content in there. Take a look at how it looks. This looks good. I click on it here. Here's my content. Since I didn't put a size, it looked like this. But if I go and put in Oops. Where's the YouTube? Copy. Paste. That's what that looks like. Yeah. I can figure out what the pixel size is, and I can, let me see, inspect element. 750 is the pixel size, so 750. So if I go now, this is, I hope I didn't have to do that during a training, but I'm doing it on a training. But if you guys can't figure this out, just leave it as is, 750. Hopefully, knowing Google, it will respond properly. It's going to give me a width. There you go. It's a full width. And of course, it didn't give me the height. Man. I mean, why wouldn't they give me? All right, I'll just wing it. Let's do 450. I'll just wing it. There you go.
Need carpet cleaning?
Okay. All right, Ross, Tassin. So this is a good way of creating. So I should see the logo here. They have a phone number here. I don't have a service area here because I didn't put the zip codes in the system. So you'll notice the next step is to put in where do they service. Okay, so how we figure that out is you have to have, this is a shortcut, so put it in your favorite or whatever you have to do. centralstationmarketing.com, web services, marketing tools. It's in the video, so you'll know how to get to it. And then there's this tool called the comma separated zip code manager, comma separated county list or city list. So I'm going to go in here and select Texas, state. And then if you go to the state, you're going to go to, actually, you know what? I'm going to save this page on my favorite because I quite often need it. And I'm going to say city list. Bookmark bar, none. So there you go. Just add it on your bookmark bar. So this way you have it. You get to that page. And then just go in here and say select Texas. And then you have to know what county is Austin in. Well, Austin made it easy because it's Austin. But if you didn't have this, actually, no. See, city of Austin is not here. So you have to go to Google and say city Austin, Texas, in which county? Okay, just Google that, whatever TX. So whenever you Google that, Google will tell you what county they're in. Okay, and then you see Round Rock, Georgetown. But if you start with just that, I'm happy with that. So Travis County is what I'm gonna go here and say, give me Travis County. And now Travis County gave me all these cities. Austin, right? That's the big key city that I wanted. So I copy that, or no, so not that. I'll copy all the zip codes and then put it in my zip code list. And that's how you do entire directory page. So now if I go to my page, I have my heading, I have my, which is my title tag, I have my list of service area, I have my form. If I fill this out, it's going to send an email to that email address that's on file. And I have my content.
Quick question.
Yes. Go ahead.
Once we do go ahead and list them, is there anything like an email that we send out to them to let them know that they're listed on there and give them the pricing if they want exclusive zip code?
All right. So I'm gonna save this video for the developer, so who's gonna write the content, right? So, and then we're gonna talk about the sales side after this video. So I'm gonna hit the save.